Picture this, 22 feet loaded with horsepower, unrivaled waves, sleek lines, an all-new dash, and more options than you can count. What am I describing? None other than the XT22. At MasterCraft, we take great pride in our position as the best-selling and strongest brand in the towboat space. Our dedication pushes us to continually innovate, ensuring that our boats are the best in the world so you can create memories for a lifetime. In this XT22, its world-class waves, reliability, and customizability ensure your best summer yet. As with any MasterCraft, you can expect the best waves and wakes, comfort, reliability, and leading technology. Whether you're the big family that trailers their boat to the lake as many times as they can, or the couple who lives on the lake and invites friends over every weekend to surf, or maybe you only use it a couple times a year but want to be certain your boat is better than your neighbor's, the answer is all of the above. You'd be hard-pressed to find a 22-foot boat that checks more boxes than the XT22. Let's dive into those details. Beginning here at the transom, the XT22 features SurfStar, revolutionizing the surf experience thanks to its ability to effortlessly deliver thousands of wave options. From mellow and beginner-friendly to steep and powerful. Just select a rapid surf preset and watch as the XT22 automatically generates the perfect wave for any skill level. For those who like to fine-tune your wave, utilize the custom surf interface for full control of speed, ballast, and surf device position. Whether you're surfing or wakeboarding on the XT22, cut your wait time in half with optional fast fill ballast. The high flow pumps used in MasterCraft's fast fill technology will fill or drain ballast in a matter of minutes. The XT22 comes standard with underwater exhaust, substantially reducing engine noise and fumes to provide a more refined, pleasant experience for your entire crew. Captains at the helm of the XT22 will appreciate the available stern thruster. It's the most powerful stern thruster on the market, able to spin your boat 360 degrees in under 30 seconds. Plus, the control is integrated into the throttle knob, so it's easy to use and super intuitive. As far as getting in and out of the boat, your crew can do so with ease, thanks to an optional flip-down swim step and a standard transom walkthrough. Speaking of the transom, there's also additional built-in storage trays underneath each rear hatch. It's a functional spot to toss items like vests and ropes. While at the transom, let's talk about the XT22's integrated transom seating. The sliding base is standard and a flip-up backrest can be added for even more comfort. With room for 16, the XT22 cockpit is extremely spacious, especially for the 22-foot category. The U-shaped seating area is the perfect layout for entertaining, and the optional convertible flip seat allows passengers to face the cockpit to socialize or face backwards to watch the action behind it. Beneath the interior seating, the XT22 provides extensive underseat storage and built-in cooler locations, all with hinged seating to make access effortless. For even more comfort all summer long, upgrade your upholstery to Cool Feel. This unique material stays up to 30% cooler than traditional marine vinyl, meaning you can choose richer colors that complement your custom design. Speaking of colors, 2025 brings some exciting new vinyl and gel coat options that are sure to stand out. Loaded with Klipsch audio, high-quality acoustic entertainment comes standard on the XT22. Our advanced audio package offers 6 interior speakers and a subwoofer spread throughout the boat. Or upgrade to our premium audio package for additional dash speakers and a bonus subwoofer that provides that extra bass. Plus, you can further elevate your audio experience with the addition of up to 4 speakers on your XT22 tower. The XT22 also comes standard with 4 phone holders in the cockpit area that can all be upgraded to provide wireless charging so you can keep the tunes going all day. Now let's talk about the towers. The XT22 can be equipped with 3 different tower options, the Z6, Z8, and Z10. All towers come standard with easy-to-use clamping board racks, or you can opt for power board racks. Combined with our Bimini board storage, you'll have spots for 10 boards. The Z8 and Z10 towers can be customized with colored inlays to seamlessly link your tower and gel coat design, and the Z6 is now available in all black. The XT22's helm has been completely redesigned for 2025. A huge 12-inch touchscreen is now standard, and the entire helm has a much more modern and clean aesthetic. A convenient storage cubby and phone holder has also been added behind the steering wheel. Along with improving aesthetics, this redesign allowed us to maximize space between the top of the dashboard and the windshield header, providing a larger viewing space for the captain. While the hardware upgrades are beautiful, we also reworked the entire user interface to make it even more intuitive, immersive, and customizable. A rudder position sensor has also been added for an enhanced driving experience. To make on-the-fly changes easier than ever before, we designed MasterCraft MyDrive, a rotary encoder that puts key controls at your fingertips. The hotkeys and rotary dial allow you to make effortless adjustments while keeping your eyes focused on the water ahead. The 2025 XT22 also has a new helm seat that provides unmatched ergonomics and comfort and a more contemporary design. Below the dash, the XT22 comes with a standard wireless phone charger to keep the captain's phone fully charged. The XT22's spacious pickle fork bow is functional, roomy, and an iconic feature of the MasterCraft brand. An open walkway leads into the bow, but you can opt for a filler cushion if you prefer playpen seating. Due to the wide open bow and a strategic subfloor ballast design, there's plenty of underseat storage up front as well as dedicated anchor storage on centerline. The XT22 stands as a testament to MasterCraft's unwavering commitment to excellence in design and construction quality. Our team of naval architects designed all of our models to deliver a smooth and dry ride that surpasses industry standards for towboats. Using the best materials throughout the construction process guarantees an exceptional, smooth, and comfortable on-water experience, even when you're faced with rough conditions. With the XT22, you also receive the option of a custom trailer to match your boat. Choose your own colors, wheels, and graphics, and even opt for fiberglass fenders, a backup camera, electronic brakes, or a tire pressure monitoring system for a simple yet sophisticated towing experience. Now let's talk about the XT22 engine. This model now comes standard with our all-new 5.3-liter GDI high-output motor. It utilizes the latest in automotive technology to deliver 380 horsepower, 407 pound-feet of torque, a 4-star emissions rating, improved efficiency and power, and approximately 15% less fuel consumption than our legacy 6-liter engine. And it's all backed by the Ilmor name. We partner exclusively with Ilmor Marine to design our engines. They're known for hand-building race car engines, and they are highly revered for both their performance and endurance in the racing industry. That's precisely why MasterCraft engines are backed with an unrivaled warranty, 7 years or 1,000 hours. Plus, all 2025 XT models come with a new fresh air intake, which means more power, better efficiency, and improved performance even on the hottest of days. Our dedication to quality and reliability continues even after a MasterCraft boat leaves the factory. Our award-winning dealer network is spread across the world to ensure you get the best customer experience out there. Thanks to standard onboard telematics, our dealers can now remotely monitor your boat's vitals to keep up with your service needs. Telematics also allows you to check on your boat's health and status via the innovative MasterCraft Connect app. You can even switch off your battery remotely from your phone, placing reassurance and convenience in the palm of your hand. Finally, rest assured that every XT22 comes standard with MasterCare. We're here to support you with a comprehensive 5-year, 500-hour warranty featuring minimal exclusions. Thank you for joining me today to learn more about the XT22. If you're interested in experiencing the MasterCraft difference in person, please contact your local MasterCraft dealer or head over to mastercraft.com.